What if the future of data storage wasn't silicon, but DNA? We're producing more digital data than ever, over 175 zettabytes by now. Our current storage systems can't keep up, but scientists may have found a solution inside our own biology. DNA, the code of life, is also a dense, stable, and ultra-efficient storage system. Here's the idea. By encoding binary data, zeros and ones, into the four-letter code of DNA, A, T, C, G, researchers can store information in synthetic strands of DNA, then read it back using sequencing technology. 1 gram of DNA can theoretically hold over 200 petabytes of data. That's more than all the data on Facebook, compressed into something smaller than a grain of salt. MIT, Microsoft, and the University of Washington are working on making this tech faster, cheaper, and scalable, with breakthroughs like automated DNA writers and enzymatic storage systems. DNA lasts thousands of years without degrading, making it ideal for archiving history, medical records, or entire libraries. It's not quite ready for consumer use yet, but in the future, you might literally download a movie into a molecule. Would you entrust your memories to DNA? Drop your thoughts in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more next-gen biotech content.